Alright, welcome back to Brainy Byte Tutorial. If this is your first time of coming across our YouTube channel, you are welcome. We are Brainy Byte Tutorial. What we do in this channel is that we talk about things that concerns JAMB and admission. Alright, so we also talk about WAEC, NECO, and all of them. So if you're any of these candidates, I want to encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on all bell notifications so that whenever I drop any amazing video, YouTube will notify you and you'll be the first to check out the updates. Alright, so let's get right to today's video. Okay, today's video I'll be talking about the Nigerian institution that accepts second choice and why. Okay, so I have received a lot of about this question or about this message, so I said let me come today to talk about it. All right, because most of us there are looking for schools they can actually choose as second choice. Okay, then as well gain admission from there. Okay, so now I've come to tell you the schools that accept you to choose them as second choice, all right, in 2024. Okay, first of all, I'll also tell you why they accept you to choose them as second choice. Okay, so and also tell you the chances of you getting admission in those second choice. Okay, so it is important for you to stay from the beginning of this very video to the very last side so you don't miss out with anything. You understand all I have said there as well. All right, so we'll have the first one, which is well, I will start with uh, the federal universities that accept second choice. Okay, federal university that accept second choice. The first federal university that accepts second choice is a Federal University Oyo Ekiti State. They accept second choice. Okay, Federal University Lokoja accepts second choice as well. Okay, so Federal University Dutse Jigawa State accepts second choice. Then Federal University Benin Kebbi accepts second choice as well. Federal University Dutsema Katsina State accepts second choice. Federal University Gashua Yobe State accepts second choice as well. Federal University Lafia Nasarawa State accepts second choice as well. Federal University Gusau Zamfara State accepts second choice as well. Then Federal University Kashere Gombe State accepts second choice as well. Federal University Ebonyi State, which is Ales Ekweme, accepts second choice as well. Then Federal University Otueke Bayelsa State accepts second choice as well. Okay, then Federal University Uwakeri accepts second choice Taraba State, and Federal University Borno State accepts second choice as well. Now we'll go to a list of state universities that accept second choice. All right, Abia State University Uturu Abia State accepts second choice. Then Adamawa State University accepts second choice. Akwa Ibom State University also accepts second choice. Anambra State University Udi accepts second choice. Then Abubakar Tafawa Balewa University accept second choice. Then private universities that accept second choice is Gregory University Uturu Abia State, the American University of Nigeria Yola Adamawa State, Modibo Adama University of Technology, then Auburn University, then Rittman University, Paul University Awka Anambra State, Tanzania University Oba Anambra, University of Nka Boko Benue State accept, Novena University Ogume Delta State accept, Western Delta University Obara Delta State, then Edwin Clark University accept what's it called, second choice. Right, so now we want to ask, why do most universities reject second choice? Right, so we all know that most universities in Nigeria now, they don't like you to choose them first choice. Right, even if they don't like you to choose them second choice, even if you score 350 or 400, they wouldn't want you to choose them second choice. Then why most universities will also want you to choose them, even if you score and you want to make them second choice, you can equally make them second choice. All right. So now these universities, most of them, I don't want you to make them second choices because they have they always know, they know their populations, right? Just like you have census, you can't census yearly, and so you know your populations, right? You know the number of candidates that always apply for your institution on yearly basis. So at least you don't expect, even if, let's assume that you have at least 10,000 candidates, of 10,000 candidates that always apply in your school, and you do not expect it to be lower. Even if you're expecting it to be lower than 10,000, at least it should be around that kind of 7,000 respectively. You understand? So in some cases it will go above 10,000, all right, like 12,000 or so. So, and of course, you know how many candidates you want to admit in the year on yearly basis, all right. So you doesn't want, if you believe that if some schools, if some institutions, if you open room for even for more persons to come to choose you as second choice, all right, you will have a lot of crowd, and at the end of the day you end up not admitting up to 70% of them, and it's not good. So whereas you would have left them to go to any nearby school where they would have gotten their admission, you understand? So that's the reason why most schools do not actually accept first choice. So those schools is more of the schools that have that have much population, right? They have much population. While some schools that actually accept second choice, they do it in a way of making their own money, right? So they want to make their money. Then they know that they cannot actually consider you admission for second choice, but they just want you to buy their form. So while you are buying their form, they are making their money from there as well, right? So that's another way. You understand? So even if any school considers you as admission for first choice, you will definitely have to go to make those school first choice so that you can be able to print your admission letter. All right. So in other way, some persons will be like, I don't want to whether is it cast my eggs in one basket or what. So I don't want to put all my eggs in one basket. I want to try two schools so that if this one doesn't work out, and this one will work out as second choice. So if you are looking for any of those schools you want to try, you can try any of these listed schools. So if maybe your first choice of institution is not actually giving you what you want, and you believe that you did well in your second choice, because if you buy the forms of these schools are listed below here, then you can buy their form. If they are writing post-UTME examination, you can as well write their post-UTME examination, all right, so that even if your first choice is not working, maybe you are losing hope in your first choice, then what you will now do is just go back to JAMB, make your second choice your first choice, so by then they can actually admit you. All right, so even if the second choice have to offer you admission, even while they are seen on second list, suppose they offer you admission, what you will do, if you like the admission, you accept the admission, then you change them. Mind you, if you get any admission from any school, if you don't like the school, do not rush to accept the admission, because once you have accepted the admission, no school will ever give you admission again this year, right? Unless it's next year, right? So if any school gives you admission and you don't want that school, and let's assume that you apply two schools and your second choice are the one to first offer you admission, then what you will do, you will just hold on with their offer, all right, while you are waiting for your first choice. So if you didn't get any offer from your first choice, what you do is to accept your second choice offer. Then where you go to JAMB to do change of institution, then make your first choice your second choice, now your first choice, so that you can be able to print your JAMB admission letter from your institution, from JAMB. All right, so that's basically how it is. Okay, I believe you must have gotten any value from this. All right, so if at all you didn't get any value, also let me know in the comment section. All right, but if you get any value from this video, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. All right, like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So if you have anything you feel like you want for me to do for you, let me know in the comment section. All right, I'll be right there to answer all of your questions. All right, so until I see you again in my next video, don't forget that I love and cherish each and every subscriber of Brainy Bites. All right, keep winning.